Alright, in this video, this is going to be a quicker video on this Oster toaster oven. This thing is awesome. I've had this thing for a long time, years. Works great. I cook everything in here. Right now we're doing cheese sticks. Just put them in there. You see this? I got frost on them. We're just not getting started. In about 12 minutes, those will be done. But you get temperature controls. You can toast, you can bake, you got a convection oven, you can broil, you can keep warm. Keep warm, I like that. It does work. It keeps everything warm for reasonable temperature too. Of course, you got defrost and pizza button too. Very nice little oven. It's like the perfect size. There's only thing to note, the top gets real hot, so don't lay anything on top of that. It's the only thing you got to be careful of. You see, I don't have anything above it, so I don't have to worry about that. Anyways, hope this helps you. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one.